Here we go. Strike 4 strike ups, 3 still on. Imagine panic before we could get the camera ready. Standing up, everybody. Waddy's got his out to the port side.
I wouldn't put any more grunt on it, you got a little line out.
Looking for jumpers.
If anything, you have to back off in a minute. Okay, back off open for a minute. So you can back off a little, about 3 clicks.
Guys, hey! And we're swimming. Okay. Murray.
Stand up.
Yeah, stand up. Bad luck, Phil. You spat yours.
Alright, we're up to the button. Hand over, go over. Over, on top, we're on top. Over. Keep going, over. Okay, bring it down. Okay, we're just over.
This is Al's line peeling.
Oh, it's actually starting to dump a bit, John.
He's dumping a fair bit. There you go, Al. His mouth, he needs DK done. Excellent.
A lot. Mate, start working on it.
How many still got on? 3? Yep. Hey! Hey, you let him get hers, I'll take the longest.
Murray's whining hard.
Got that belt lower, Murray. Don't worry about those followers. We got still just 2 fish remaining. One's been tagged. Murray's got the most on. Al's just about out of line. And as usual, they're in opposite directions.
Yeah, he's good.
How much line you got to go, Murray?
Oh.